Hi grade 3s. In our first lesson back from half term, we're gonna go to Mexico and we're gonna play our Mexican mountain song. Quick question. Which Spanish speaking country has a lot of mountains? Tell me next time you see me. Alright. Might be Mexico. Over here, we have our first piece and you will notice this funny little looking C. Now this C just means common time. So it's the same as writing 4-4. So that just means we still have 4 beats in a bar. So if someone was to write 4 and then 4 or just a C, that would mean the exact same thing. There's no difference, okay? So let's start off by playing the first bar. This is just a piece to get us warmed up for the next piece we're going to do, which is going to be for your assessment. And it's going to be a fun, interesting, slightly challenging piece. So let's have some fun with this. First up, we have what note? F, A, C. And we have the C's as eighth notes. So that's going to be T, T, okay? T, T. So let's grab our recorders, play your C. Remember, C is your middle finger on the second hole. Make sure your right hand has the thumb at the back, just like that. And then make sure your thumb is covering the back, all right? So that's our C. Eventually, we're going to go to our D, which is just the same thing, but without your thumb, okay? But make sure you don't hold your recorder like this, people. This is baby position. Don't hold your recorder like this, or like this, okay? Not like this, not like this, not like this. Thumb has to be underneath the fourth hole, fourth or third hole, whichever one works for you. But just make sure your right hand or left hand is under there, okay? So let's start this off. 2 C's as eighth notes. So if this is my beat, 3, go. 3, go. By yourself, go. C, C. One more time, go. C, C. All right, let's go to the next one. This is super easy. We just have G, C, and then D, high D, okay? So that's gonna sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's easy. Now, I want you to notice something. This exact same few notes over here is the same over here on the third bar. It's the same over here on our fifth bar. So if you can play this bar by itself, you can play 2 more bars, and you can play 3 bars in total. This one, this one, this one. Exact same thing, okay? So let's work on everything that's in between. In our second bar, we have 2 notes. We have our C, G, and they are half notes. So ta, a, ta, a. So hold your C, and then get ready to play your G. Let's go. One more time, let's go. Let's try and put bar 1 and bar 2 together. In 1, 2, 3, go. One more time, let's go. Now let's go to the third bar. Remember what I said? The third bar is the same as the first bar. So let's just go from the first all the way to the third bar. Same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so this one isn't that hard. All we're doing is we're playing the same note, C. But notice that little umbrella that's holding the 2 of them. That's called a tie. So that means we just join these 2 notes together and we hold them. We don't go ta, a, ta. It's as if we're playing a dotted minim. We go ta, a. Okay? That's what the tie does. It puts them together. So let's play this and then rest over there. 1, 2, 3, play C. Rest. Rest. And then it just continues there. So let's try to get all the way to the 4th bar, and then we'll start again and get to the 5th bar. 1, 2, 3, go. Rest. Now let's try to go to the 5th bar. Remember, it's exactly the same as the 1st and 3rd bar. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Hopefully you've been able to do that. Not much different there. Now when we get to the 6th bar, what we have here is a few leaps. We're going from C to G back to C. So C, ta, G, ta, back to C, ta, ah. So ta, 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 ah. So let's try play that nice and slow. 3, go. Try and play that by yourself. Let's go. C, G, C, C, G, C, C, G, C, C, G, C. Let's try take it from the beginning all the way to the 6th bar. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so hopefully you've got that. If you haven't, just rewind and go through it. Now, let's go to our 7th bar. Not hard over there. What we have is D, 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 C, G. Okay, so T, T, ta, ta, ta. Say it with me. T, T, ta, ta, ta. Same rhythm as these ones, but just different notes. So we're going to play D, 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 C, G. Let's try that out. 2, 3, go. 3, go. One more time. And then the last bar is just going to be the same as that 4th bar over there. Just 2 C's joined together and then rest. So C, rest. Remember that tie is making them one note. So let's try play this and then we'll put it from bar 6. 3, go. Rest. 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 Let's take it from bar 7. 1, 2, 3, go. Rest. One more time from bar 7. 2, 3, go. Rest. Let's take it from bar 6. We're moving backwards so that we can do the whole thing really well. Bar 6, 3, go. Rest. Let's try again from bar 6, a bit slower. 3, go. Rest. Alright, let's put the whole thing together. Woo, hopefully you're ready. It's not bad, takes a bit of breath, but it's not too hard. 1, 2, 3, go. Rest. Rest. All right. One more time, a little bit slower. Go. Rest. Rest. Now for those of you who want a bit of a challenge, let's speed it up a bit, okay? This is going to be a new speed. 1, 2, 3. All right, so get ready for it. 1, 2, 3, go. Rest. Rest. Woo! That took a lot of breath. I don't know if you're feeling it, but I am definitely feeling it. So go ahead and practice your Mexican mountain song. Find me a country that speaks Spanish and that has a lot of mountains. There was a famous cartoon called Emperor's New School that used to have a character that used to live in those mountainous regions. And let me know next time you see me. So have fun with this piece. We're going to go to a harder one next week. So practice this well and make sure you can play with absolutely no problem, okay? Bye, grade 3s.